How to fix Ringtone Maker app not working? Well, one of the reasons might be your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Ringtone Maker. Move into this application. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is click on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Ringtone Maker. Once you are in here, click on offload app. And then once again click on offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. And clearing the cache and storage means clearing all the unwanted bugs. Well, it will make your application run smoothly, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next thing you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix it, and then you'll be good to go. So, that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Ringtone Maker app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.